Hi everyone! Welcome back to my mini vlog. Another day, another vlog. And for this video ay cleaning day. So maglilinis tayo sa boat ni Gila and Letty sa yung kababayan natin. Itong kanilang boat, names Gypsy. So we're gonna clean it today because they're gonna arrive this coming Thursday. And this is the look of their boat. It's super nice, super high-tech. Everything is just high-tech, you know. It's just tech. Everything is just tech. Kung gusto mong ibaba ito, kung gusto mong gano'n, automatic lahat. Dai. Ang ganda nitong Amel na ito. Super nice. Automatic lahat. Super. So, kayang-kaya itong i-manage ng mga elder. So, yeah. Itong kanyang itsura. Super nice. I love this actually. At first, pag nakita mo siya parang old style, pero gano'n. Pero pag ano mo yung mga benefits nito, mga benefits, ano yun? Pension. Gano'n. So, yeah, napakaganda. Super nice. Amel, 43, 45. 45, I think. So, ayan, ito ang kanyang interior. So, lilinisin natin ito today dahil nga darating sila on Thursday. And another pagpupulong na naman. So, ito yung blah, kailangan magsalita ka rin kasi kung hindi, magiging statue ka nila dahil statua or flower vase. So, yon kailangan magsalita ka din. Then, ayan. Diba? So, ayun lang, magpapalipad lang ako ng drone. Papakita lang natin dito. Mag-take lang tayo ng photos and recordings. And I hope maging okay lahat at hindi na naman mapunta sa dagat ang ating baby drone, Mini 3. So, I'll see you then. Bye!
Hi mga bakla! Welcome back! So ayun, nakapaalang ako guys. Ayan, paapalang tayo. Babalik tayo dun sa dock natin, sa dock 3. Kasi nga, nakalimutan ko yung charger ng ating drone, ng aking baby. So kailangan ko siyang i-charge bago ako magpalipad. Kailangan natin ng photos, videos kasi naubusan na ako ng video mga bakla. So baka maligo kami maya, mag-swim kami maya para meron tayong may upload. Charot! Ganon. Gawa lang tayo ng parang para makakuha ng content for today's video. Pero marami kaming agenda for today. Maglilinis. Dalawa tayong nililinisin namin. Tapos, natapos na rin yung GPS ng Salamat Sea. Which is, very important yung GPS mga bakla. Para siyang Google Map. Pag wala ka nung dive sa dagat ka, sa ocean dive, syempre mawawala ka kasi makikita mo lang dagat lang eh. So nakadepende ka lang doon sa GPS na yon. So, ayun, kailangan natin i-install and na-install na siya and tomorrow ipa-finalize na siya para maging visible yung mga barko na malapit sa atin. So, ayun, see you na lang. Bye.
Ay mga bakla, so ayan, nakuha na natin ang ating cord. So, itong aking sinasabi, ito ang GPS. Introducing the GPS. Ayan. So, dito ka magna-navigate mga bakla. Every time na nasa dagat ka, may lovely nowhere. So, dyan ka mag-depend. If not, mawawala ka talaga. So, let's go then. Balik na tayo doon, mag-charge, tapos magpalipad tayo. Bye. Weather's update mga bakla, super nice. Napakaganda ng weather today. Kasing ganda ko. Pakita ko sila. Ayan. What is update? Welcome to Marina Salinas. Tara! Ayan. Nandito si Stephanie. Hindi ko alam kung what? Monty is there.
Voilà, attends 2 secondes. I have to make a picture of something. I'm back in seconds. What is it?
Is that Monty?
No. I have to make a picture. Only one car. I think those. Yeah. I'll come back. I quickly make a picture. I'll come back.
I'm the kind of girl who can bend the beat, turn a heartbreak night to a VIP suite. I'm the kind of girl who can shift the vibe, turn a simple move to a hold your hand. Try to slow me down, baby, that's too late. I am moving through love, universe at premium.
Thanks, welcome back! So, ayan, tapos na, almost done na. Ipapadry lang na natin siya sa inside, pero sa labas hindi na kailangan kasi maaraw naman yun. Super mainit, super warm. I don't know how many Celsius, but it's super warm. Charot! Overacting. So, ayan, linisin lang natin siya dito sa, or idudry lang natin siya dito sa sa loob. And next natin is ito. Linisin ko siya kasi super madumi and we want to impress them kasi super mabait ito. Asawa niya si Letty, kababayan natin siya, taga Camiguin sa Mindanao, and si Gila yung husband, and they are super nice people and I love them so much. So, see ya! Hi Mami Cloud! Quick update! So, ayan, kakatapos na natin maglinis and this is the look. Look at that. It's so nice. Looks so napakalinis. Okay, 360. Ayan. Diba? Ang linis. And super nice ng ginawa dito. And that's Stefan. Say hi.
Beer after.
After work. Salute.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
That's mine.
Okay. Sorry.
Ah.
On my BDC.
Wow.
My BDC.
Okay guys, sabi namin kayo later pag nakabalik na tayo sa Salamat Sing!
Stockholm is quiet tonight. Late when I was couldn't stand the heat. It's raining on my side of town. I've been carrying the storm inside for weeks. And now the pulse getting stronger, like the moon finally arrived. Here comes the I didn't think I could change. Like the weight on my shoulders was part of me. So I had to find an escape. Now I feel like it's waiting there for me. I see the light peeking through and the clouds disappear. Now it's burning in colors. I've got no time left to waste, 'cause my life is still waiting around the corner. As the world opens up and the light starts to flood inside. Here comes the high.